Dear customers, a new member of our auto cutter has arrived. It's called N-Type. We have developed N-Type with KM sharp cutting technology. N-Type was designed to improve the degree of satisfaction of customers. Now, let's start to introduce the features of new auto cutting system. This is the design of new N-Type auto cutting system. This product will be working very strongly and stable under the harsh environment. The colorful LED indicates the working status of the auto cutting systems. We can easily grasp the conditions and problems by LED colors and flashing. With the belt grinding system developed by KM's technology based on their experience over the years, we can complete the belt grinding in the minimum amount of time. The grinding belts are also easily and quickly interchangeable. Easy operation is our top priority. We develop new software based on customers' needs. The cutting system will be started automatically after answering yes or no in a questioning format. With the questioning format, you can operate the auto cutting system without dedicated operators. With the head position indicator, you can find the head position on the desktop monitor. With the estimated time calculator, you can find the estimated time on the desktop monitor. The new N-Type automatic cutting system will serve you more kindly and powerfully.